Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Richard earns X dollars daily and spends Y dollars per week. What are his savings for 4 weeks? So in a week, he earns 7 multiplied by X equal to 7X dollars, because there are 7 days in a week, and he spends Y dollars and he spends Y dollars. Therefore, in a week, his savings will be equal to 7x minus y dollars. In 4 weeks, therefore, in 4 weeks, savings will be equal to 4 multiplied by 7x minus y dollars, which is equal to 7 fours are 28x minus 4y dollars. So answer is option B.